it's too late. I'm already filming. I'm Bethany, founder, owner, and teacher of Little Fish Preschool. And right now, I'm looking super casual. I have my casual attire. I have no shoes on. This is just a chill, relaxed video to where I'm showing you the behind the scenes of the creation of our open house posters for the activities that we'll provide for that day. By the way, open house, our very first open house, which I'm super excited about, is Sunday, August 10th from 4 to 6:30 p.m. So if you or anybody you know who may be interested in our preschool program, check out our website, littlefishpreschool.com, and it has way more information on there about it. But basically, I'm just putting together some signs on a poster board, some pictures, and some letters that I printed out that will kind of show families when they get here what each spot's about. I'm gonna get going with this now, okay? Chalk spot, bam. Next. Photo booth. Oh yeah, another photo booth there. Okay, next. Color corner. Ice cream. Tunnel tubes. Croquet corner. All right, so I brought all of the signs or posters back, and let me give you a recap. During the open house, we will have the croquet corner for families to play croquet together, and tunnel tubes for the kiddos, the little ones, to crawl through the tubes. Here's an example of that, by the way. I don't know if you can see the little girl, but there's a tube. This is the exact same tubes that I have for the kids to go through and to play in. And then ice cream. We'll have free ice cream for families. This is an ice cream sandwich. We'll have different types of ice cream provided. And color corner. I'll have some fun coloring sheets for the kiddos to color together at the table. And then toss games. I kind of generalized it because there's various different toss games we'll have. This one right here is like, we'll have like cornhole and different types of bean bags that they could throw inside a hole, different things like that. So I kind of generalized it there. We'll have a little photo booth where we'll have fish in the background, fish theme, since it is Little Fish Preschool. And then you can take a picture and pose in front of the fish board. And then we'll have the chalk spot with tons of different chalk. And we'll have more activities and things too. These are just generalizing it. I just didn't want to make a poster or a sign for each and every single thing. These are just the highlight, like the big ones. So we hope to see you here at the open house Sunday, August 10th from 4 to 6:30 p.m. Bye.
Little Fish Preschool.